Another area to concentrate on this Ramadan is your prayers. The most important part of a believer's life is the 5 daily prayers. The Prophet ﷺ emphasized on it so much, calling it the discerning factor between belief and disbelief. Before leaving the worldly abode, the last words of advice that he gave to the nation was the prayer, safeguard your prayers. So Ramadan is the perfect time. If you're someone who is struggling with covering your 5 daily prayers, Ramadan is the perfect time to do that. And if it is obligatory for you to pray them in the masjid, so Ramadan is the perfect time to develop that beautiful habit.